Hello everyone, this is the first video from our series, How a Team Alexa Win Can Help You Achieve Your Dream Dress. The very first issue we want to tackle in the first episode is Big Boob Issue. When we said big here, we didn't mean cup C or cup D. It has to be at least from double D to Z cups. You know, the type of cups that if you don't tape and you jump up and down for a while or go out for a run, it will hurt. Or the type which can sometimes hurt your back because they're so heavy. We have seen thousands of boobs in all shapes and sizes, and we know when you're blessed with these. It could be hard or scary trying to find a dress which will fit your boobs. At the end of the day, you want to enjoy your special night without worrying about your boobs falling out. Also, we need to clarify, boob cups are not related to your general size. You can be a size 4, 6 or 8 and you still have big boobs which need good support. Or you can be a size 16, 18, 20 and still do not need much support since your boobs are reasonable sized or small. The secret to the perfect support of big boobs are burning and design. There's nothing absolute in this world, but we would say burning and design will fix 95 to 99% of big boob issue. The rest of the job can be helped by taping or using silicone pads called chicken fillets. Burning are plastic strips or sticks which are used in dressmaking to make the dress bodice stronger and firmer. With a strapless dress, the burning is a must in formal dress sewing. If your dress are from $300 up and they're strapless but they do not have any burning, and especially when they're made with non-stretchy materials, you should worry and consider if they will stay up properly for you for the whole night. So burning for big boob girls in strapless dresses is a must. The second thing for big boobs are designs. If you come to us or any experienced dressmakers, we would able to consult you on which style suits your massive rack the best. If you really love a style dress but your big racks just say no, then you can ask your designer to do something to give it more support, such as adding straps, adding a corset back to keep things in place. There's one style of dress which is very adverse to big boobs anyway. It is the bustier top/corset dress. Due to the fact that this type of dress can only go up to a certain cup size, in most cases it can only go to double D, so if you're really in love with it, it wouldn't be a nice view to try to fit your boobs in a smaller cup size. However, we have created an amazing style called fake bustier cup dress. So outside it may look a bit smaller to the bustier cup dress, but it's completely different structures which can hold much bigger boobs. So with all the decorations which mimic a bustier cup on the outside, people might still mistake it for the real bustier cup style. Other useful tricks to cover your big boobs would be adding off-the-shoulder sleeves or adding lace around the neckline to make your boobs less obvious. This will change the look of your dress slightly, but with the help of professionals like us, you can definitely see a nice result and your dress still looks amazing. In conclusion, no matter how big your boobs are, with the help of our team at Alexa Win/Destiny Chic, we can definitely help your girls stay in place while you have one of your best times of your life.